Hey guys, here's a strat you can use to take a lot of space on defense. Stand at the bi-phase barrier and aim your crosshair in the middle of the small square, which is slightly higher than the sculpture to the left. Then just left click your molly. It will land here and block attackers from getting closer. After the molly, stand beside this pillar and aim your crosshair at the grey line in the doorway and left click your smoke. You can now hold this whole area at A by yourself for a long time. If you want to save your mollies, you can ask a teammate like Breach to stun the doorway and hold while you smoke. Or Neon can stun and hold it as well. After you set up, they can stack on a different site.